Om Sai Ram. Let's meditate today on the glorious form of the Lord, who is in the form of light in front of us. As we meditate, let's bring the body, the senses, and mind under control. To bring our body under control, let's sit straight with both hands resting on our knees and bringing the thumb and index finger together, symbolizing our union with the Lord. Observe your breath, and as you do, repeat the words So Hum in your mind. As you fill your lungs with air, breathe in the word So, and then breathe out Hum, reminding you of its meaning, God I am. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you with a gentle flame. Look on the flame steadily for some time. Now close your eyes and try to feel the flame inside you, between your eyebrows. Let the flame slide down into the lotus of your heart. As it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of this lotus unfold one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and removing darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. Imagine the light becoming wider, bigger, and brighter. Let it pervade your hands. Now you can never indulge in dark, suspicious, and wicked activities. These hands have become instruments of light and love. Move the flame slowly down to your feet. This light shines bright in your feet, ensuring that they take you to good places. Let the flame rise up and fill your stomach with this divine light. The light moves over and fills your back and your shoulders. Now, your body is filled with light, which gets brighter and brighter. Take this light to your eyes. As this flame shines bright in your eyes, you will see only what is good. Slowly, take the light to both of your ears and purify them, so that they hear only what is good. Take this light further to the region of your mouth and keep it on your tongue, and be blessed to always speak the truth. And finally, bring this light up to your head. There, the light transforms into a crown, enshrining and covering the head. Let your head be soaked with light, allowing all negative thoughts to flee. Imagine this light in you intensify. Let it shine all around you, and let it spread from you in ever-widening circles. Imagine this flame burning bright within all the members of your family. Imagine this flame burning bright in your neighbors, in the people of your locality, and in your friends and relations. Imagine this flame enveloping your enemies, all strangers, trees, animals, birds, the entire world. Stay in this moment and enjoy the beautiful light permeate the world with love. God, in whichever form you favor, is now no different to this all-pervasive light. This light is God. God is light. Now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and enjoy the bliss.
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ भगवान् श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। 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 ओम भगवान 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 श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः।
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
This Kamavaripalli has a interesting association with Swami. During Swami's 60th birthday in 1985, Swami visited two villages, Kamavaripalli and a village called Ammagondapalayam. And Ammagondapalayam is a little further away from here, and Swami had mentioned in a discourse during that time that these two villages are like my own eyes, Kamavaripalli and Ammagondapalayam. And during Gram Seva we would regularly go to these villages. Swami had inaugurated a Rama temple in this particular village, in both the villages. So that was the association that Swami had with this particular village. In this village, just like how it happened in Karnatnagipalli, there was an epidemic of sorts. There was a disease called Narakurupulu or Nari Kurupulu, what it was called in Telugu. People who were infected with this disease would start getting sores in the skin and they would not heal. And people would suffer a lot. For something like 3 months they would suffer and eventually they would die. And this started infecting a lot of people, so much so that almost every family had at least 1 or 2 members who had succumbed to this disease. Apparently it's an epidemic that spreads through water, and one of the people who had come from Bellary, who had already been infected with this disease, had gone into this particular well, the well where all the people in the village were drawing water from, and he had gone there to draw water and he had infected the well, by which he had infected everybody in the village. So they came and prayed to Swami that Swami should come and do something. So Swami said, okay, one particular day, I will come. And so Swami was literally taken in a procession. There were drummers and there was a huge procession. Swami went by walk. And Swami went around the village, and in 4 places, Swami buried coconuts with vibhuti. And then Swami gave vibhuti and Swami instructed them that put all around the place. Then in another coconut, Swami put vibhuti and put it into the well. And then Swami instructed these people, you go and clean the well and start using it.
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शिवनन्दन गणपति गणेश
शिवनन्दन गणपति गणेश
शिवनन्दन गणपति गणेश
शिवनन्दन गणपति गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without praising His name, there's no feeling of bliss. Without praising His name, there's no feeling of bliss. Without praising His name, there's no feeling of bliss. Without praising His name, there's no feeling of bliss. With no love and devotion, we never will be free. With no love and devotion, we never will be free. With no love and devotion, we never will be free. With no love and devotion, we never will be free. Without service to Him, no salvation can there be. Without service to Him, no salvation can there be. Without serving mankind, no salvation can there be. Without serving mankind, no salvation can there be. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. We find union with Him when our minds are at rest. We find union with Him when our minds are at rest. We find union with Him when our minds are at rest. We find union with Him when our minds are at rest. The best wisdom is seeing the Lord everywhere. 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 The most righteous of deeds shows compassion and care. The most righteous of deeds shows compassion and care. The most righteous of deeds shows compassion and care. The most righteous of deeds shows compassion and care. There is no one as near and as dear as the Lord. There is no one as near and as dear as the Lord. There is no one as near and as dear as the Lord. There is no one as near and as dear as the Lord. He is present in all and in all can be adored. He is present in all and in all can be adored. He is present in all and in all can be adored. He is present in all and in all can be adored. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without praising His name, there's no feeling of bliss. Without praising His name, there's no feeling of bliss. With no love and devotion, we never will be free. With no love and devotion, we never will be free. Without service to Him, no salvation can there be. Without service to Him, no salvation can there be. Without serving mankind, no salvation can there be.
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे नानक येशु बुद्ध हरे नानक येशु बुद्ध हरे राष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे राष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे राष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे राष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे ओ बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे गुरु नानक येशु बुद्ध हरे नानक येशु बुद्ध हरे जो राष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे राष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे ओ बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे राम हरे साई कृष्ण 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 हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राधे कृष्णा जय श्री कृष्णा राधे राधे कृष्णा राधे 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 कृष्णा जय श्री कृष्णा राधे राधे जय श्री कृष्णा राधे 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 कृष्णा राधे राधे जय श्री कृष्णा राधे राधे शिरडी कृष्णा परती कृष्णा साई कृष्णा राधे राधे साई कृष्णा राधे 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 कृष्णा जय श्री कृष्णा राधे 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 कृष्णा राधे राधे जय श्री कृष्णा राधे 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 कृष्णा जय श्री कृष्णा राधे राधे कृष्णा जय श्री कृष्णा राधे राधे शिरडी कृष्णा बती कृष्णा साई कृष्णा राधे 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 कृष्णा जय श्री कृष्णा राधे 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 कृष्णा जय श्री कृष्णा राधे कृष्णा राधे राधे जय श्री कृष्णा राधे राधे श्री कृष्णा राधे राधे जय श्री कृष्णा राधे श्री कृष्ण राधे राधे
सुब्रह्मण्यम सुब्रह्मण्यम षण्मुखनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 साईनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 षण्मुखनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव 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 सुब्रह्मण्यम हर 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 सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव शिव हर हर सुब्रह्मण्यम हर हर शिव शिव सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव शिव हर हर सुब्रह्मण्यम हर हर शिव शिव सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 षण्मुखनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 षण्मुखनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्धबुद्ध तु स्कन्दविनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममस्तु यवशक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्र विष्णु तु रामकृष्ण तु रहीमताओ तु रहीमताओ तु वासुदेव गोविश्वरूप तु चिदानन्द हरि तु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु
Christian prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Muslim prayer. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, praise be to God, the cherisher and sustainer of the worlds. Most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment. You do we worship, and your aid we seek. Show us the straight way, the way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, those whose portion is not wrath, and who go not astray. Buddhist refuges. I take refuge in the Buddha. I take refuge in Dharma. I take refuge in the Sangha. Hindu prayer. The universal teacher is the creator. The universal teacher is the protector and sustainer. The universal teacher is the Almighty. The universal teacher is verily the supreme unmanifested one. To that Guru we offer our prostrations. Zoroastrian prayer. Just as the will of the ruler of the universe is supreme, so is the spiritual teacher supreme through his asha. The gifts of good mind are for those who do good deeds in the name of Mazda. The strength and power of Ahura are given to him who renders help and shelters the poor and needy. Jewish prayer. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. You shall love God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your resources. Let these matters which I command you today be upon your heart. Teach them thoroughly to your children, and speak of them while you sit in your home, while you walk on the way, when you retire, and when you arise. Amen.
విద్య అంటే ఏమిటో తెలియటం లేదు.
They don't know what Vidya education is.
విద్య ఏది జ్ఞానమును బోధించును అది ఏ విద్య.
Vidya is that which confers wisdom.
ఎట్టి జ్ఞానమును
What
భౌతిక
sort?
జ్ఞానమా లేక లోక జ్ఞానమా,
Is it physical or worldly knowledge?
ప్రాకృత జ్ఞానమా
Or worldly
పరార్థ
knowledge.
జ్ఞానమా బ్రహ్మ జ్ఞానమా ఆత్మ జ్ఞానమా.
Is it physical knowledge or worldly knowledge or the spiritual knowledge or the knowledge of the spirit or the soul?
ఇక్కడ బుకిష్ నాలెడ్జీ ఒక్కటి మాత్రమే మనకు కనిపిస్తున్నాయి, ఇంక ఏ నాలెడ్జీలు కూడా మనకు కనిపించడం లేదు.
And here we find only bookish knowledge, nothing else.
ఇలాంటి పరిస్థితిని యందు ఈ విద్య యొక్క విలువ ఏ విధంగా మనం నిర్ణయించేకవుతుంది.
And then how do you decide, estimate the value of the education?
ఫలము లేని వృక్షం వలె,
A tree without a fruit,
రసము లేని ఫలం వలె,
a fruit without the juice,
తెలివి లేని మృగం వలె,
an animal without intelligence.
గిట్టి గిట్టి ఏమి ప్రయోగం.
What is the use?
ఫలమెరుగను బ్రతికినావు, ఫలమెరుగను బ్రతికినావు,
You live here only to know the use of its life.
ఫలమెరుగక మరణించిన నీవెరిగినది ఏమన్నా.
Without realizing the objective of life, what is the fun of living?
ఇంక ఏమిటి నీవు తెలుసుకున్నటువంటి విద్య.
What is that you have known?
ఫల నిమిత్తమై నీవు విద్యను అభ్యసిస్తున్నావు.
You study with a purpose.
ఫలమేమిటో నీకు తెలియనప్పుడు ఈ విద్యను అభ్యసించే ప్రయోజనం ఏమిటి.
When you don't achieve the very purpose, what is the use of studying?
भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवं मर्यन्तयो नीवे स्वामी मर्यन्तयो नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नागेन्द्र शयना ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी ओ साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंदर गिरिधारी ॐ जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण 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 ॐ नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण 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 ॐ नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण 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 ॐ नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ जय सद्गुरुदेवा ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः peace 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 on earth peace 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 for all the universe for all the universe for all the universe जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की